mass tourism. Its remote location and limited access ensure a peaceful and authentic experience for travelers seeking tranquility and seclusion. Traditional island life. The indigenous communities of Lakshadweep maintain traditional ways of life, with fishing and coconut cultivation being central to their livelihoods. Visitors can immerse themselves in the local culture by participating in fishing excursions and visiting traditional villages. Spectacular island hopping. Exploring the different islands of Lakshadweep offers a unique opportunity to witness the diversity of landscapes and experiences each one has to offer. Whether it's the bustling markets of Kavaratti or the serene beaches of Agatti, each island has its own charm. Unforgettable sunsets. One of the highlights of visiting Lakshadweep is witnessing the breathtaking sunsets over the Indian Ocean. Whether you're lounging on the beach or sailing on a boat, the vibrant hues of the sky as the sun dips below the horizon create unforgettable memories.